Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version on Ubuntu 24.04.2. But the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. The default browser that comes with Ubuntu is Firefox. So open it. Now go to torproject.org. This is the official website. Click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser. Either is fine. Click on it. Then see here we have the download options for Windows, Mac, Linux and for Android. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 116 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal. CD downloads ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this zip file. So give the tar-xvf, give the tar, use the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. See, extraction completed. Control A, ls. See, we have extracted to this folder. So this file is not required anymore. So remove it. tar-browser-linux. Use the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls cd tar browser. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the start tar browser dot desktop. We have to run this file to open the tar browser. / use the dot / use the start. Use the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Wait a moment, it is going to launch. See, we got the tar browser. See, if you want to always connect to tar, we have to keep the checkbox. Otherwise, if you don't want, click on connect. I want, so select connect. See, got the tar browser. And also here, the default web browser for the tar browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, now we can search for anything. Okay, so in this video, we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser on Ubuntu 24.04. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.